Hey everyone, I'm Callum Bair, and this is Flying Solo Beginner Rock. So if you've taken a couple lessons and you really want to move into a new territory on the instrument, it's only natural that we want to find our way into the soloing aspect of our guitar. Throughout this course, we're going to play 3 complete solos. And to achieve that, we're going to look at all of the individual licks that make up those solos in their own separate lessons. We're also going to look at the fundamental techniques that make up soloing on the guitar. And some of those techniques include bending, double stops, hammer-ons, pull-offs, vibrato, slides, and all of these little detailed techniques that make up a good soloist on the instrument. After making it through this course, you're going to have a variety of different licks that work in your minor pentatonic scale and your major pentatonic scale that use a lot of the techniques that we've mentioned so far. And in using all of these techniques, you're going to be able to find out how you can start improvising and you can start soloing on the instrument. Before getting into the material of this course, you should have a basic understanding of how to fret a couple of notes on your guitar, maybe understanding your minor pentatonic scale, or even some experience playing your major pentatonic scale. But we're going to go over all of that material throughout this course, so you just want to have a little bit of experience actually putting your hands on the instrument and playing some single note lines. I had a lot of fun putting this course together. I cover a lot of my favorite techniques on the instrument, and every time I talk about soloing, I just get excited experiencing that with somebody who's beginning on the instrument, because as you learn to solo, as you learn all these different techniques, and as you find your way around some of these basic scale shapes, you're really finding your own voice and your own ability on this instrument to become an improviser. And that, at the end of the day, is what makes guitar fun, in my opinion, is being able to find our way around the instrument, being able to find our voice on the instrument.